I'm gonna steal someone's man looking just like this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm finally gonna be doing a part 2 to my Steal Your Oppa makeup tutorial series. Should this be a series? I don't know. We'll see. If you haven't seen the first video that I did last year, you can click wherever it is. I don't know where it is. Somewhere up there. Just click the I don't know. So let's get started. First, let me put on my cute little headband. That's super dirty. Please ignore that. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is prime, because we have to be priming our faces if we want to be out here snatching mans. So I'm using my MAC strobe cream just to give me that glow, you know. This product brings me actual happiness. If you're looking for happiness, buy MAC strobe cream, just saying. And then I'm gonna go in with my NARS foundation like I always do. You guys know this is like the only foundation that I use pretty much. This is the All Day Luminous foundation in the color Macau. It's a brand new bottle, by the way, guys. I'm on like my 5th bottle of this foundation. Like, if NARS don't put me on their PR though. Ugh, forgot to wet my beauty blender. I feel like I'm gonna go a little bit heavier than usual on the foundation today, just cause, you know, this is kind of like a cake face tutorial, you know, cause you gotta be cake faced if you out here being a baddie stealing mans. Oppa ain't seeing no pores today, honey. Then I'm gonna pair it with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is in the color Almond. And I'm using the same concealer just to prime my lids, because that's what I always do. Wow, my face is literally perfect. Like, Oppa is not ready. Now I'm taking my camera. Can you focus on my face or not? So I'm taking my Laura Mercier powder now, and I'm gonna just use that to set all this cake. Cake. But you wanna put your name on it, Oppa. Now, my eyebrows looking a little non-existent, so we gonna have to fix that. So I'm gonna be taking my Goof Proof brow pencil from Benefit, and I'm going to use that to just lightly fill in my brows. Nothing too crazy, you know, okay? I need to get my brows waxed, but literally my brow lady is so good that she has like a 3-month waiting list. But like, to be fair, like, she got the hands of Jesus, so. And yes, this is a Sephora mirror that cracked in half. Don't judge me. Oh, look at the difference between my 2 eyebrows. I know I need a brow wax when I start looking like my dad with these eyebrows, man. Okay, so now I'm gonna be taking my Soft Glam palette, which is like the same color as my background. Look at that. It's gonna be so simple. We're using 2 colors, guys. 2 colors, that's it. And one of the colors I'm applying with my fingers, So first color that we're gonna be taking is this one, which I've already hit pan on, Sienna. I use this one on the daily, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease and then work my way down, which is kind of like my eyeshadow style. And then I always take the same lid color that I'm using and sweep it underneath, just so that everything is like kind of cohesive together, and it gives the look like a more smoky, kind of sultry look. So now I look like I've been crying for 1,000 suns. I'm going to put on Sultry. So just rubbing it on with my finger and just patting it on, like literally, that's it. And Sultry looks almost the same color as, what did I use? Sienna. At least on me anyway. So when I pat it on, it just like gives the look a shimmer. I'm just patting it across the lid, just to give it like this wash of shine. And then I'm gonna go in with the same brush that I just used to apply Sienna and just blend. And now I'm going to put on my mascara. So I like to combine mascaras lately. As you guys might have noticed, I stopped wearing false lashes. I only wear them on like special occasions, just because I'm trying to grow out my lashes and I don't want anything to interfere with it. I actually bought a lash serum recently. I haven't gotten it yet. I'm waiting for my Yes Style order, and I'm gonna do like a 30-day comparison to see if it actually works. I'm really excited to show you guys that video. So the two mascaras that I'm using right now are the Benefit Bad Gal Bang, which is their newest mascara, and I'm also using, what is this one called? It's from Marc Jacobs. It's the Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. So I use this one for length, and it's really good for the bottom lashes, and I use this one for volume. I always start off with the Bad Gal Bang. And this mascara gives a little bit of volume too, like it's good for like everyday looks, but we're trying to impress Oppa today, and we need a little bit of that va-va-voom, you know what I'm saying, girl? So see how the brush is like super thick? She thick. So that's what's gonna do to your lashes. Thickums when your lashes are thicker than you. Then I'm gonna do my signature glitter under the eyes, which you guys always ask me about. Literally, it's just the heavy metal liner from Urban Decay. This is a glitter liner, and this is in the color Midnight Cowboy. The first thing I like to do is coat my lashes with it. Get some on the outer corner and put some on the inner, and that's it. Just that little bit of glitter under the eyes makes it a little bit more innocent. A little bit like, ooh, me? Me trying to steal your Oppa? No, of course not. Now we're gonna move on to the face because we're looking a little flat. And I'm taking this Smashbox palette. This is like an old palette, so I don't even think they sell this anymore. But this is the LA Lights Blush and Highlight Palette in Culver City Coral. So I'm just using this color right here, this dark corally color. The way I like to put on my blush is like upward, as if I'm doing contour. And I go ham with my blush, like I'm basically using it as a contour. Then I'm gonna actually contour, and I'm gonna use my NYX powder contour kit, using the darkest shade here like I always do. Clearly gonna have to get another one of these. I'm gonna have to actually buy one of these. I just like to apply first and then blend, because otherwise I get like too much on one side. And then also the jawline, and then I just kind of blend the contour shade and the blush together, so we gonna be looking sun-matched. Yes, girl. Then I'm gonna apply the highlighter that is in the same blush and highlight palette. Just a very gentle highlight. Finally, we're gonna do the lips. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of my Farsali oil to prep my lips. The color that you guys always ask me about is this one right here from Stila. This is in the color Bacca, I think it's called, like B-A-C-C-A. And I'm just going to apply this in the center and blend. Do you guys remember when the Face Shop did the collab with Trolls? They sent me that, and these things are actually really cute and really good. So I'm gonna take this color, which is Magical Rose, and I'm gonna use the like the lip tint side, this side, and put that in the center. And this is where I get that really rosy color. This lip combo. This Troll collection, I wouldn't recommend like by itself, but when you put it on top of other things, like as lip toppers, they blend really nicely with other lipsticks, and they give it that perfect wash of color that you're looking for. And that's it, guys. This is my signature Steal Your Oppa look that I have been wearing constantly. So I'm just gonna take this off, and we're gonna put together the whole look. The whole look, girl. Get ready. Oppa is not ready for all this jelly. Damn, I be looking like girl number 2 in a K-drama trying to steal the lead. This is giving me serious Red Velvet vibes, you know what I'm saying? Like some Red Velvet bad boy vibes. Yes, the lipstick makes the look. Like, you need the pink lip, you need it. This is a whole makeup look. I I hope you guys like it as much as I do. If you did, give it a big thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel. And obviously this video is all in good fun. Don't be out there actually stealing people's mans. But you can look like you could steal him, you know? It's just a look. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. I love you so much.